Sky Blue Credit Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Sky Blue Credit, a credit repair service known for its simplicity and straightforward approach. Sky Blue Credit is designed for individuals who need help disputing negative items on their credit report and improving their overall credit score. What sets them apart is their 35-day dispute cycle, which is faster than the typical 45-day cycle used by other companies. They offer an affordable flat-rate service with no hidden fees, priced at $79 per month. One key feature is their customizable dispute options, allowing clients to prioritize which items to dispute first. This is ideal for those who want a hands-on approach or have specific negative marks they need to address quickly. Additionally, they provide a comprehensive credit analysis, personalized advice, and access to credit-building resources, making it easier for users to understand where they stand and what they need to improve. Sky Blue Credit's standout feature is their generous refund policy. If you're not satisfied with the service within the first 90 days, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. This gives users peace of mind when trying out their credit repair services. Their website is easy to navigate and the sign-up process is quick, making it accessible for those who need help but don't want to spend hours figuring out complicated paperwork. However, it's important to note that Sky Blue Credit does not offer legal services, so it's not suitable for individuals dealing with more severe credit issues that may require legal assistance. Overall, Sky Blue Credit is best for people with minor to moderate credit issues who are looking for a reliable, no-frills service to help clean up their credit reports. If you're someone who values efficiency and transparency, Sky Blue Credit could be a good fit. However, if your credit problems are more severe or require legal intervention, this service may not be enough to fully resolve your issues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews.